verduras, vegetables. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll learn the names of common vegetables in Spanish. These are everyday vegetables you'll see in meals, at restaurants, in recipes, or at the market. Learning these words will help you describe food, talk about what you like and don't like, and understand menus more easily. Let's get started with some of these useful vegetables in Spanish. The word for vegetables is verduras. The word for tomato is tomate. The word for potato is papa. The word for onion is cebolla. The word for mushroom is champiñón. The word for garlic is ajo. The word for celery is apio. The word for carrot is zanahoria. The word for cabbage is repollo. The word for broccoli is broccoli. The word for corn is elote. Well done! You've just learned some of the most common vegetables in Spanish. These words will help you talk about food, follow recipes, and understand everyday conversations about meals. Keep practicing them out loud and don't forget to review the written material and activities. In the next lesson, we'll continue building your food vocabulary and start making simple sentences. See you in the next lesson.